Hello and welcome to this video about pattern imprinted concrete installation process. Before we start, let's explain a few technical jargon terms in plain English. Number 1, colour surface hardener. This is colour or blend of colours that is added to concrete. Number 2, float. This is a tool for pushing down on wet concrete to flatten it. Number 3, steel. This is a trowel made of steel that is used to smooth the surface of coloured decorative concrete. Number 4, yes, you noticed I used the term decorative concrete. That's because pattern imprinted concrete is also known as decorative concrete, or imprinted concrete, or textured concrete, or PIX, or impressed concrete, and so on and so on. Number 5, release agent. This is a chalk-like powder that is added to freshly laid concrete before printing. It serves two purposes. It enables the printer to release the printing mats, and it tones down the base colour on the imprinted concrete surface. Number 6, screeding. This is the process of making a concrete surface nice and smooth. Many will say this is the most skilled part of a pattern imprinted concrete installation, which could be true. A good screeder will ensure surface water goes where it should go, which is down a drain or into a bedding area. Number 7, power float. A diesel powered machine that tampers down concrete and acts as an automated still. For larger areas, a skilled power float operator makes it look easy. Number 8, printing. This is the process of interlocking rubber mats in order to achieve a textured print in the surface of concrete. Number 9, sealing. This is the application of a protective seal on a coloured concrete surface to protect it against UV penetration. If you like this video, subscribe and hit that like button.
Survive and hit that like button.
If you're looking for a professional installer,
If you're looking for a professional installer,
visit Drivewaywise.com.
visit Drivewaywise.com.